Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Steam not opening on Windows 10 and 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. When it opens, go over to Details section at the top list. Inside it, search for the Steam and Steam related operations. Once you find it, simply select the steam.exe and right click on it. From this menu, select and process tree and just approve it. Then the Steam application will be closed from everywhere. After that, open Run by going over to Start menu and searching for it. You can access it by pressing Windows plus R. Anyways, after opening it, type in the Steam // flush config and then just simply press enter. This will open up a Steam dialog box. To clear cache, just click OK. And now open up the Steam settings application and go over to Windows Update. Check for the Windows Update if available, and then just update it and your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix your Steam not opening on Windows 10 and 11. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.